This video is about the best bowling balls for 2022. It will show you how to choose the right ball for your needs and explain why these are some of the best options available. Make sure to watch it so you can make the best decision for your bowling needs. We have included links in the description box. Let's get started. At number 1 is Brunswick TZone Deep Space Bowling Ball. Brunswick TZone bowling balls are an affordable addition for players of all skill levels as a spare ball, and they make the ideal first ball for beginners. The sturdy polyester cover material of TZone bowling balls provides straight-line accuracy and consistency. Beginner bowlers can devote some of their funds toward other necessary items like gloves and bowling shoes thanks to the somewhat lower price tag. Brunswick TZone balls make an excellent straight-shot second ball option for intermediate and expert bowlers as a spare bowling ball to complete frames. The symmetrical core of the ball and its low hook potential give it exceptional lane length and make it simple to consistently hit your spare shot mark. At number 2 is Pyramid Path Rising Bowling Ball. Any style of bowler can perform at their absolute best in medium to medium dry conditions thanks to Pyramid Path Rising. A 1500 grit polish is used to give the ball its polished appearance and sharp ball responsiveness. The ball can hook with finesse thanks to the Pearl Reactive Resin cover stock. Pyramid Path Rising bowling balls are adaptable and have a variety of drilling options, so you may customize it to fit your needs and ability level. At number 3 is Storm Phase Roman 3 Bowling Ball. The Storm Phase Roman 3 gives you a fantastic gaming experience by utilizing the best bowling ball technology. A hybrid reactive cover with a polished 1500 grit surface surrounds the Phase Roman 3. It has a fast revving velocity symmetric core that propels the ball down the lane and stores energy without provoking overreaction for when you need it. The ball works well for many different bowling techniques and oil patterns. Although less significant than its performance, reviewers adore the grapevine aroma. At number 4 is Hammer Black Widow 2.0 Bowling Ball. This high-performance bowling ball has a matte surface and a solid reactive cover stock that displays the black and red hues as they were intended. This ball produces continuous ball motion with numerous angles and offers the best traction in medium to heavy oil situations. The carbon fiber outer layer that surrounds the asymmetric gas mask core gives it strength and longevity. For more seasoned bowlers, we recommend the Hammer Black Widow 2.0. At number 5 is KR Clear Red Rose Bowling Ball. Since Big Earn showed his personalized ball in the film Kingpin, every bowler has desired KR Clear Red Rose Bowling Ball. Even though it is more of a novelty than a high-performance ball, the ball only comes in a 14-pound weight due to the way it is designed, but it looks incredible in motion. The ball functions best when the lanes are dry. Low ball lane friction is achieved by the polyester cover stock's durability and reduced porosity compared to other cover stock materials. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and leave a comment. If you found this video helpful, click on the links in the description to find out more about the products.